Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I thought I would make a spring journal because I had this cover, so that was obvious, wasn't it? With that little hair inside. So yeah, I'll just decorate some pages and see where we're going with this. I didn't make a video yesterday because my husband was rushed to hospital Wednesday, so I didn't really feel like it yesterday. But I visited him today, so I think the spirits are a bit more uplifted for both of us. They're gonna keep him all weekend, so obviously there's something they're not quite happy about, but we don't know what it is at the moment. But I will just decorate some pages, and I won't finish today, I can promise you that, but maybe I'll do another couple of videos where I go through the pages and just come up with something. So I have this little envelope in my stash, so I thought I would find a page to put that on. And since we have the blue here, I thought this would be perfect. This is a pocket, so I was thinking to put it here, sort of like this, so it's going to be open to the side here. But this looks a little bit boring, so I'll do some stenciling here. Just on the top of this envelope. And since it's blue, of course it has to be blue ink. So I hope you've been doing okay during the week. It's been lovely weather here in Britain, with nice sunshine, and the sun is actually getting very warm. So that's always on the positive side. Let's see if this is enough. Yeah, I think it is. Let's check. And yeah, that'll be fine. Does it need a bit of ink? I think it does. I wasn't planning on the back to be seen, but it's alright. There we go. That wasn't the right one. What did I do with the other one? Yeah, it was. It's fine. I apologize in advance if I'm waffling and not really with it, because obviously I have my mind elsewhere, but if you get sick and tired of me, just cut the audio. Let's see, where does it go to? I think we need a little pencil mark here. So I won't get glue all over the pages. There we go. And I was thinking that just keep this open so I can use this as a pocket as well. Let's see if this goes. Obviously not too close to the middle either, because we need to close it. Yeah, that's fine. Sorted. There we go. Can we see the pencil mark? I don't think we can see it over here. Oh, good. That was that. And I have a few things here. I don't know if I'll put all of it in, but I like these. They'll be really good in here somewhere. These, I don't know. This will just go on a page loose, but I think the pages are a bit too thin for that. Unless, yeah, I already did this one. Just 3 pockets. Whoops. With some tags, book pages, and printed vellum. Get in there. There we go. So this is quite thick, but obviously no, I don't think so. I'll save this for later. But let's see what we have here. Oh, too thick. Too thick. Got another one of the vellum and book page. I think these are quite nice. And then I painted with watercolor around the edge. Put this on the back. So that can go in there. Something a bit bigger. This one. Yeah. Yeah, why not? That'll do. What else have I got? Sometimes, and I don't know if it's because I don't feel inspired today, but do you sometimes feel that you're doing the same things in your journals. I mean, oh, look at this. They are ready to fall in love, these two, aren't they? How cute are they? Yeah, what I was saying, it's hard to come up with something original now, isn't it? I mean, it happens now and then, but not for me personally, but I see the people I follow, they come up with some amazing things sometimes. But still, you have your favorites, and you tend to do the same things, don't you? Maybe because you think, or you know, that's what works for you. But maybe sometimes you feel, is it a bit boring? I don't think it is, because obviously you're using the different papers and different book pages if you use that and stuff like that, but still it's like you have what's it called, some sort of recipe for what you're gonna use or what you're gonna make. But I guess it's alright as long as it works. Only today I can only come up with pockets and tuck spots. Yeah, I put this little Chinese box because it's purple and I thought it would go well with the front here. Oh, I got this one. I can put this one on somewhere. Somewhere. Where do we go with this one? There, maybe. It got the green and a bit of yellow, like over here. And the blue. Let that go. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it. Don't overthink it. I'll just glue top and bottom. Like that. And see if I can get it in straight. Yeah, I think that's okay. So there's a side pocket here, both sides of course, and pocket here. And at some point, when I find my beads and bobs and all that, I can make a dangle here. Let's see if I have some tags. Would this go? Yeah, that would be perfect with the pink flowers here and the green leaves. And Oh, I forgot about this one. Will that go? It's probably too big. No? No, that fits. Perfect. Yeah, I'm not gonna put tags in here because it's gonna be a bit bulky. Maybe even too bulky for this. Maybe a more simple one. Yeah. And then I can put some writing papers in here so you have extra writing space. See what I can find. I think that's enough for today, to be honest. I will leave the links for the tutorials for the things I've used in here. So if you fancy, you can make your own. I really like this page. And let's get the cover on. Until next time where I feel like decorating a little bit. I'm actually I quite like this one. It's just the right time of year to make this one, I think. There we go. That's it. I will say goodbye for today. And I will, as I said, link the tutorials, and I will see you hopefully next week. Bye!